How's it going, Clean My Space Nation? This was a highly requested video. On our last Clean With Me video, we asked, what should we clean next? You guys said the garage, so here you go. It's time we cleaned out the garage anyway, because it is a huge mess. A bunch of cardboard boxes need to be broken down, and there's just a bunch of stuff which ended up in this garage that wasn't supposed to be in the garage. We got a house with 2 garages, so we could fit our 2 cars in there, but as soon as we moved in, the garage became a bit of a storage space, so today's the day that we're going to change that. The first thing I'm going to do is empty everything, aside from the cardboard, out from the garage. I'm going to be using the lawn as a way station. From here, all of this stuff will either be donated or sent to the dump or the recycling center, or some of it might be sold or given away. But either way, a lot of this stuff is not going back into the garage. We want to limit the contents of our garage to just things that have to do with the car, so things like windshield washer fluid, or the jack, or some oil, or cleaning products, and a few landscaping items, like clearly the lawnmower needs to stay in here, and a few other items needed for the garden. I scheduled this job in so I knew I would have enough time. I scheduled in 4 hours. It actually took me a little less than 3 hours to complete the job. All of this wood and these moldings were left over from our reno. Do want to keep it though in the garage, especially because the previous owner made it so that you can kind of store wood along the back here by making that little support out of a 2x4. And lastly, let's move the John Deere for now. Now it's time for probably what is my least favorite job, and that's once all of the boxes over the course of a whole bunch of Amazon orders, and because we were completely making over our patio, we had a whole bunch of boxes from the Home Depot, which all of the furniture came in. Plus we had some toys from Riley that came in boxes, and I don't know, cardboard just kind of seems to take over, and man, did it take over. And then I got a couple of visitors, and I decided to take a break. All right, let's get back to it. The way that it works in my city when you are recycling large amounts of cardboard, they ask that you bundle it together and it not be larger than 3 or 4 feet long. So I'm just taking some string and I'm bundling all of the cardboard for recycling. Now for a really dirty job, I'm going to put on some safety eyewear and some safety breathing wear and some safety hand wear, and we're going to sweep. And then we are going to blow all of the dust, dirt, and debris up out this garage. Now let's put all the stuff that belongs in the garage back into the garage. We found a home for everything else on the lawn. This is all that remains, just a few of the car items. My golf stuff ended up in the garage, plus a few other odds and ends. But for the most part, the garage now looks remarkable. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, leave a like and also leave a comment down below and let us know what space we should clean next.